Hey everyone, if you are unable to sign in to the Expedia app, there could be various reasons, such as app issues, incorrect login credentials, or server problems. So, today we are here with a step by step guide to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. So, let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, Wi Fi, or mobile data. Test by opening another app or website to confirm the connectivity. After that, simply go to the App Store and update the Expedia app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Expedia and check if an update is available. If there is an update available, install the latest version available there. Once you do so, now go back to the Settings app on your mobile device again. Once inside this Settings app, tap on the General. Inside General, look for the iPhone storage option available there. Tap on it. Now scroll down and look for the Expedia app option available and tap on it. Then tap on Offload app and confirmation for offload app, simply tap on it, and that is it. By this you can fix the issue of not being able to sign in. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.